Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadget Nest. Today we're unboxing one of the cheapest Android 14 tablets out there, the TECLAST P30T. It promises 128 gigabytes of storage, a 10-inch screen, and even a metal body, all for under 100 euros. Let's open it up and see what you actually get. First up, the tablet itself, neatly wrapped in plastic. Underneath, you get the essentials: a USB-C charging cable, a basic 10W wall adapter, a quick start guide. The tablet actually feels pretty decent in hand. The back is aluminum, not plastic, and for this budget, that's impressive. You've got USB-C port, headphone jack, micro SD slot, and stereo speakers on the bottom. Let's power it on. It boots straight into stock Android 14, which is clean and bloat-free. Setup is quick and straightforward. We'll be testing the display, battery, performance, and more in the full review, but so far, first impressions are promising for the price. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the deep dive. If you enjoyed this unboxing, give a thumbs up. Drop your questions about the P30T in the comments, and I'll answer them in the full review. Thanks for watching Gadget Nest, and I'll see you in the next one.